Welcome back to Current with Jack. For years, we've been telling you the same thing. If you want elite performance, you need an Ethernet cable. Well, today, that advice changes. Introducing Wi-Fi 7. For the first time in years, it's not just faster, it's the end of the Ethernet bottleneck. Wi-Fi 7 is here, but don't call it an update, it's a complete rethink of how your house connects to the internet. Let's be clear about where we were. Wi-Fi 6E gave us the 6 GHz band. It was an express lane, but Wi-Fi 7, that's a superhighway. We're doubling the bandwidth. We're hitting the theoretical speeds of 46 gigabytes per second, which is a massive upgrade upon Wi-Fi 6E, which could theoretically do 9.6 gigabytes per second. How? Three main ingredients. First, 320 MHz channels, double the pipe. Second, MLO, multi-link operation. It uses all three bands at once. And finally, 4096 QAM. We are packaging significantly more data into every single signal. This hardware is brutal. AI-driven beamforming, massive antenna arrays. It's designed to keep that sub 5 millisecond latency anywhere in your home. Here is the stat that matters, 46. That is the theoretical gigabytes per second limit. Even in the real world, you are finally matching the speed of 10 gig internet fiber. We are looking at the data, Wi-Fi 6, 2.4 gigs, Wi-Fi 7, we are pushing past 5 gigs. For the first time ever, wireless is finally keeping up with our wired network. Speed is one thing, jitter is the killer. Wi-Fi 7 keeps you under 5 millisecond latency for the majority of your transmissions. That is the wired feeling without the wire. Why does this matter for you? Zero jitter, wireless VR without the motion sickness, and total future-proofing for your home. I'll say it again, the cable is becoming a choice, not a necessity. Wi-Fi 7 has finally bridged the gap. Compare the numbers, speed, bandwidth, stability. It's not a small leap, it's a generational shift. As you can see on the screen, max speed Wi-Fi 6 9.6 gigs, Wi-Fi 7 46. Channel width 160 MHz under Wi-Fi 6, double that to make it 320 MHz for Wi-Fi 7. Modulation 1024 QAM for Wi-Fi 6 and quadruple that for Wi-Fi 7 of 4096 QAM. Link stability, Wi-Fi 6 had single band, Wi-Fi 7 is multi-link. Are you ready to cut the cord? Well, make sure to go and get yourself a Wi-Fi 7 router today. Check out Weekend AV for the latest discounts. Stay current, make sure to like, subscribe, and definitely hit that bell icon for more content. I will be continuing to make more of these types of videos every week. I usually release one on a Thursday, so make sure to check it out. For now, goodbye.